Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great, or hope you're having a great week so far, and welcome to this new video. On TARS AI, one of the most interesting AI projects on Solana, with actual ties to the Solana Foundation as well. I covered this at the start of January. I wanted to make a bit of an update on that, because we actually got some big news, which I already tried to make clear with the thumbnail. We got some big news, and in general, I mean, yesterday we got the news, or 2 days ago already, I think. We got the news that Trump, the new administration, is investing heavily in AI as well, so that caused quite a lot of bullish momentum for AI projects in general. And TARS AI has some good news regarding AI agents, which are also, not all, but some of them are still performing very, very well. And in general, that's a narrative that's still very hot. So let's get right into it. So if you did not watch my previous video, what we'll do, or at least what I wanted to start off with, is a brief review here of TARS AI. I'll tell you briefly what you need to know about it, and then we'll talk about the news, what that means, what the potential is, and then we'll also take a look at the price real quick, which at this point of time is pumping because the market is quite strong. But we'll see where it goes, and we'll just kind of talk about that. I mean, the last time I covered it, what I said is that, all right, well, the price was up here at like 36 cents, and what we already saw back then is that we were forming some sort of a consolidation after the two hits at the bottom right here around 25 cents, and then a very strong resistance level at 40 cents. We'll talk about this a little bit later as well about what I expect, but we hit the bottom of the consolidation. Amazing buying price. If you bought there, I mean, from the bottom to the top, which is obviously almost impossible, but if you did that, we did like a 40% move. So TARS AI is still very, very alive in terms of the price action as well. But like I said, we'll get back to the price a little bit later. So TARS AI in general, it is an all-in-one AI protocol / platform on Solana. All right, so if you actually check out the price right here, you can see they're sitting at a market cap at this point of time of about, you cannot see there, market cap of $170 million, which compared to other AI agents and AI projects, it's actually quite low. Fully diluted value is not much higher. You can actually see that 60% of the supply is already in circulation. It's backed by some major partners, such as the Dutch crypto investors, which I particularly like, but also CSB DAO and the YBB Foundation, and then they also received a grant by the Solana Foundation, which is amazing. But TARS AI is actually a project. I mean, it has a relatively big community, and I'm getting blurred out here. Has a relatively big community, as most of you will probably know, because I would assume that a significant amount of you are actually from the TARS AI community. But they're building a lot. They're building all of these AI applications. So what you can see on their website is that right now they have Sona, so that's the digital assistant for the Solana Saga mobile. Relatively new still, but it is actually being used, the application, but also the phone, of course. Then they have TGPT, which is basically some sort of a chat GPT, but then for Solana specifically, and all sorts of inquiries you want to make about Solana, its ecosystem, potential swaps, etc. Then they have the AI console, which allows you to access modular AI applications and ecosystem products at a glance in one super app. So like I said, what they're very much trying to build is this all-in-one application for AI applications and AI products on Solana, and they are the only project that's actually doing something like that. Now, does that mean that it's impossible for other projects to also do that? No, but TARS AI is creating some sort of a moat, is creating some sort of a competitive advantage in that category. And what they're launching soon, and that's what I wanted to talk about, is their own AI agents marketplace. Right, so that's what they actually talked about. As you can see right here, they posted an update the 15th of January, so last week, that they are creating an AI market on Solana. So this will first feature AI agents, and then you can also trade tokenized AI commodities and have exposure to every emergent sector in AI. Very interesting work. It is not yet released, so I'll try to keep you updated on that. But this has potential. I mean, in the end, obviously, first of all, this is just a bullish catalyst. Actual development and actual progress for a project is always great, and that's definitely not a given in crypto. But then outside of that, if we compare to a similar project, where, for example, Virtuals, which is obviously the biggest AI agent marketplace, but you can see that they actually did, and most of this is in the last 3 months, they did $62 million in protocol revenue in dollars, all right, which is massive, all right. So in general, what this is it's the first AI market on Solana, as far as I know, in terms of a competitor to virtuals, and it's a massive opportunity to actually make some real revenue, which is obviously bullish for the project. Can be used for buybacks, can be used for more development. In general, an amazing development. Like I said, we have to see how it goes and if it's actually being used and if they actually make some revenue on that. But if you take a look at the price here, and like I said, if you assume that we are in this consolidation between 25 and 40 cents, assuming AI as a narrative will still do well this year, and that the AI agent marketplace will do quite well as well, we will first of all stay in this consolidation. So I would say buying around 25 cents if we get some bottom confirmations is an amazing idea. But I also do still think that it's most likely that eventually this range will break and that we will move up higher. But that I'll keep you updated on. For now, I think that's what you need to know regarding the project and regarding these this news and these updates. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.